Hello everybody, welcome back to Mr. Chip. Today is Friday, 17 October 2025. New video on e-estate. A couple of weeks ago, we made a presentation of this company just to speak about what it is, what does it do, what does it offer, etc., etc. And today, a new tutorial, in this case, a tutorial to explain how to sign up, how to create an account, and how to complete the KYC. So let's go. First of all, couple of things. eState, it's a very good company. I like it a lot. I'm enjoying it a lot. I'm making good money. I still haven't make up for my investment, but as I always say, and just to contradict myself, this is no investment. Those platforms are good, are well done, but are not specifically regulated. What does it mean? Does it mean that tomorrow the platform can close down and we have lost our money? Maybe the platform will last for a year, 2 years, 3 years, 15 years, I don't know. But at some point it will close down and we cannot do anything. So take this into account. We can make good business with e-estate, but there is always a risk. So be careful, think well about it, and then decide if to join or not. To sign up, the process is quite easy. You can go to the e-estate website, or you can directly use the link you find in the description of this video. And once you do it, you will be redirected to this page. This is my landing page as a networker. They call it agent of the company. Here you can find some information about myself, etc., etc., even my statistics. But the most important thing is that if you want to register, you have to just click to join now. Once you click to join now, you will be again redirected to the sign up with email website, where you have to fill this form. You put your name, your surname, your country of residence, your address, home address. You can put, as you can see, anything, your email address. Here you have to put the real one, your date of birth, which is important because in a second stage we have to do the KYC, your password, repeat it 2 times. You can put or not to put your social media users, your mobile phone, which is not very useful so far, but if you can put it. And then, I repeat, important name, surname, country of residence, address, date of birth, email, 2 times password, phone number, and if you want social media, you click to verify you are human, click to create account, and it asks you to put a code they send to your email. We just go to our email, and here we can see we've got an email. Confirm your email to activate your eState account. The code is here, 958369, 958369. Verify once again you're human. Create account. And that's it. We are into the account. At this stage, we have to do the KYC. We can do it right away, or we can go to the dashboard, and we are into the dashboard. Anyway, so far we are registered, we have signed up, we have an account. But if we want to do any operation, deposit, withdrawal, you want to do a deposit, you want to put 1000 USDT, well, confirm, you have to do the KYC. So let's do the KYC. Completing the KYC can seem a kick in the ass. Why do I have to provide my personal information, my documents, to a company like eStates? Well, 2 things. One, it is necessary. It is necessary to avoid people cheating and making duplicated accounts. And two, you don't have to provide any information to eState, but if we start the process, we start the verification, you can see that you are redirected to a third-party company who does the KYC for eStates. And then you say, well, I don't provide the information to eStates, I provide it to eState and to another company. No, just to this company. Samsap, you can research about it. It's a company dedicated exclusively to KYC verification. I have worked personally to companies like this one, not to this one specifically, but like this one, and they are super professional company who are dedicated only to this and who doesn't keep the information on database. They just do the KYC and they discard all the document. If we start continue, we can see that we have to just confirm our country of residence, or better, we have to say if we are in the United States of America or not, because if we are, probably we cannot continue because those companies maybe doesn't have the agreement with the US. So we say all country except USA, we continue. I cannot do the process right now, but basically you have to provide your ID on the two sides. We can do it on the phone, we can do it on this device. I'm doing with a laptop, continue on this device. And we basically have to put our country of residence, I don't know, United Kingdom. Okay, we decide what document we want to use, ID card, passport, permit residence, driving license, for example, ID card. Continue, and we have to put a picture of the ID card. We just do the picture with the laptop, or we can make a picture with the phone and just put it here. Once we put it here, they will compare the information we have provided in the registration process with the information we have here, and then they will ask us to switch on the camera. That's why they ask if we want to continue with the phone, and we have to make a picture of our face so they can compare that the person who is doing this process is actually the person in the document. Once we do it, that's it. We will receive an email confirming or not confirming that the process is completed. And once it's completed, we can then operate. Also recall that every 24 hours, you can go here, down, where it say money wheel, you click here, and you can claim your daily rewards. I cannot do it now because 24 hours since last time still hasn't passed, but when it does, I click on collect and I receive, in this case, 10 coins, 10 coins. Those coins go accumulated here. Now I have 1,134. I will have 1,144. Those are 80 key coins, the eState coins. So every time you got at least 100, you can spin the wheel, like a fortune wheel, money wheel in this case. So for example, right now, I've got more than 1,000, I can spin the wheel, and let's see if I get 0.5 USDT. Yes, bad luck. You can see I can add it to the e-wallet. Let's do it again. Maybe we are more lucky this time. 1.5, add to e-wallet, already true, eh? Once more. 1.5. So with 300 coins, I've got 3.5 USDT extra, which I can reinvest, I can withdraw, etc., etc. By the way, we have received an email before. Let's continue here. In the email, say, dear Mr. Chip, you have successfully opened your eState account, and we couldn't be more excited to have you on board. As part of the eState community, you now have access to a world of opportunity. Important. Below is your personal PIN code. This 6-digit code is required for all financial operations, withdrawals, and changes to security settings. And there is the PIN down here. I will not show you obviously right now. This PIN, save it with your password, because every time you do any operation, like withdrawals, changing of, I don't know, email address or anything, passwords, you have to use this PIN. So keep it safe, and have it ready to use whenever you have to do an important operation. But next time, in the next video, we will show you how to recharge your account, how to make a deposit, how to buy a property. For now, that's it. eState, we have created an account, we have done the KYC. So far, it's all free. We haven't spent a single euro or a single dollar or a single pound. We have an account and we have to decide if we want to make a deposit or not. That's an individual decision. I repeat, this is a very good opportunity, but it's a risky opportunity. So be careful, think about it, and then decide if you want to invest or bet, as I always say, to real estate or not. See you next time.